Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Master Chow from the new Minions movie, Minions Rise of Gru. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what kind of stuff you would like to learn how to draw next. And feel free to like and subscribe too. That is awesome. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a shape like that. And then I'm going to come on down and curve like that. And now we can do a circle here. And circle inside that, or half circle, sorry. And then we can color that in all dark. And now we can do the other eye. So very similar to what we just did, only kind of like the mirror opposite. Like that. And we're going to do that half circle with a half circle inside it, and one of them is going to be colored in all black. All right, so now let's do a little bit more of a eyebrow coming down here, and on this side too. And now we can do a cute little nose. It was just like a really silly, funny little shape. And now we can do kind of a smirk. A little bit of a smile situation. Like that. But we're going to do the top lip and the bottom lip. Like that. All right, so now let's do a bit of hair. She's got a lot of hair. Very, lots of volume, I guess we could say. And the way we're going to be drawing her today is she's going to be kind of doing a kick. So maybe some of this hair is kind of flowing in the wind as she's doing her her big kicky move. So we're just doing kind of light strokes. Lots of hair. And we can start with a bit of face shape here. Like that. And now we're going to have her shoulder kind of blocking off the end of her chin here. So do a line right there like that. And we can do a little bit more hair here. And then it kind of curls here at the end and behind. And then we can bring down this line a little bit. And right here we can do the part of her shirt that's kind of rolled up. Her sleeve is kind of rolled up. And bring a little line, two little lines coming down here, and we're going to have a bit of a fist. Like that. Now we can do a bit more hair. Like I said, she's got a whole lot of hair, and where she's doing this kicking move, it's kind of flowing. Lots and lots of hair. Okay, now we can bring a line over here for the arm. And this one here, we can kind of branch this one out this way a little bit. And then this is going to be her shirt, kind of the end of her shirt, kind of flowing in the wind a little bit while she's moving. And then bring a line down this way. And now this is going to be her knee. And right here, this will be another leg. And then this is going to be the cuff of her pants, of her jeans. And so this leg is coming on up. And she's kind of doing a kick here. So her foot can be kind of curved a bit. Like that. And we can see a little bit of a curve here for her shoes. And come on up, and then do a line coming this way, and then we've got another foot with another shoe, and then a line right here. And we can add a little bit more hair. I think I want to make it even taller. Like I said, she's got so much hair. Okay, so she's got like a little line, a little trim around the bottom of her shirt. So I'm just going to do that there. And there you have it. We are finished our sketch, and I'm going to start coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!